Hey guys, it's me, GoogleLover606, back on another video. This one's going to be upgrading the RAM on my computer to 2 gigabytes from 1 gigabyte. So let's get started. You undo the screws, 4 of them. Not hard to do with one hand. Okay. And then after you have the screws undone, pop the back plate cover off, and then you grab your RAM. I bought a Kingston 1 gigabyte RAM stick, DDR2, from CompUSA. It was $15, but shipping it was, but with $6.99 shipping, it's 21 something. You line up that little nub with that little hole with the nub on the computer. Push it in, make sure it's in there good, and just press down like this. See, it's up, press it down. Then you put the back plate back on. Hold on. Pain in the ass to do. Alright, then you take all your screws, put them back in. Sorry if the focus is out of whack. Oh, come on. Flip the computer back over, open it up. Oh. There's my dear wallpaper, by the way, and then there you go. Booting up. Acer logo. Intel. Microsoft Corporation. My little mousey thing. And then Windows sound. Thanks for watching. Well, yeah, thanks for watching.